Hello again. This time we're back on the dashboard. As you can see, it's both the rusty sections, this one here, and this one on this side here, have been welded in, a light filler over the top, primed and completed. The dashboard itself now looks good. But what we are going to do is we're going to do an upgrade on it. I'm not going to do many different upgrades on this vehicle. I want to keep it as original as possible. However, I do think that the entertainment systems, like the old radio cassettes and stuff like that, in this modern world, are woefully out of date. So we're going to adapt this dashboard to fit one of the newer screens. If I turn this around, see there at the front here where the radio cassette goes. The newer systems, as you know, come with a screen, and if I was to simply use the one that we have here, not only would it be sticking out at a flat angle towards the front, it'd be in the way of the buttons over there. So what I propose to do is to move the whole unit over to the edge here, cut this out, re-weld a hole across there and cover that up, and maybe position it at a slight angle so the driver can see it clearly while he's driving and not have to move his whole body or take too much of an effort to see it and take his eyes off of the road. We're going to cut that out in a minute, and I'll show you some pictures and show you how we get on. Well, there we are. Obviously not dry yet, a little bit shiny in places, but put the paint on heavy to try and get that mould effect that was originally there on the dashboard. It does look pretty good. The shade is a little bit lighter. It looks very light because of these the LED lighting in here, but I can assure you it's not as light as it looks. We'll get that fitted up in a while and see how we go.